Welcome back again in the next video of this series. Today we are going to cover CRT-450 Salesforce Certified Platform Developer First PD1 Questions and Answers Part 16. If you like this content, please subscribe our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Now let's begin. The question is, a developer must implement a check payment processor class that provides check processing payment capabilities that adhere to what is defined for payments in the payment processor interface. Public interface payment processor curly braces void pay in brackets decimal amount. Which is the correct implementation to use the payment processor interface class? And your options are as follows. Please have a look at them. And among the options, the correct answer is option B. Next question is, a developer is implementing an Apex class for a financial system. Within the class, the variables credit amount and debit amount should not be able to change once a value is assigned. In which two ways can the developer declare the variables to ensure their value can only be assigned one time? Choose two. Option A. Use the static keyword and assign its value in a static initializer. Option B. Use the final keyword and assign its value when declaring the variable. Option C. Use the final keyword and assign its value in the class constructor. Option D. Use the static keyword and assign its value in the class constructor. Correct answer is option B and C. Next question is, a SSN_C custom field exists on the candidate_C custom object. The field is used to store each candidate's social security number and is marked as unique in the schema definition. As part of a data enrichment process, Universal Containers has a CSV file that contains updated data for all candidates in the system. The file contains each candidate's social security number as a data point. Universal Containers wants to upload this information into Salesforce while ensuring all data rows are correctly mapped to a candidate in the system. Which technique should the developer implement to streamline the data upload? Option A. Update the SSN_C field definition to mark it as an external ID. Option B. Upload the CSV into a custom object related to candidate_C. Option C. Create a before insert trigger to correctly map the records. Option D. Create a process builder on the candidate_C object to map the records. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, given the following code snippet that is part of a custom controller for a Visualforce page, in which two ways can the try/catch be enclosed to enforce object level permissions and prevent the DML statement from being executed if the current logged in user does not have the appropriate level of access to the object? Choose two. And the options are as follows. Please have a look at them. And among the given options, your correct answer is option C and D. Next question is, Universal Containers wants to assess the advantages of declarative development versus programmatic customization for specific use cases in its Salesforce implementation. What are two advantages of declarative development over programmatic customization? Choose 2. Option A. Declarative development has higher design limits and query limits. Option B. Declarative development does not require Apex test classes. Option C. Declarative development does not require maintenance. Option D. Declarative development can be updated in production using the setup UI. Correct answer is option B and D. Your next question is, given the following anonymous block, what should a developer consider for an environment that has over 10,000 case records? Option A. The transaction will succeed and changes will be committed. Option B. The transaction will fail due to exceeding the governor limit. Option C. The try/catch block will handle any DML exceptions thrown. Option D. The try/catch block will handle exceptions thrown by governor limits. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, a developer has two custom controller extensions where each has a save brackets method. Which save bracket method will be called for the following Visualforce page? Option A. Extension A save bracket. Option B. Extension B save bracket. Option C. Standard controller save bracket. Option D. Runtime error will be generated. Correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, a developer wants to invoke an outbound message when a record meets a specific criteria. Which three features satisfy this use case? Choose 3. Option A. Process Builder can be used to check the record criteria and send an outbound message with Apex code. Option B. Process Builder can be used to check the record criteria and send an outbound message without Apex code. Option C. Approval process has the capability to check the record criteria and send an outbound message without Apex code. Option D. Workflows can be used to check the record criteria and send an outbound message. Option E. Visual workflow can be used to check the record criteria and send an outbound message without Apex code. Correct answer is option C, D, and E. Next question is, Universal Containers wants opportunities to be locked from editing when reaching the closed/won stage. Which two strategies should a developer use to accomplish this? In brackets, choose 2. Option A. Use a flow builder. Option B. Use a validation rule. Option C. Use the process automation settings. Option D. Mark fields as read only on the page layout. Correct answer is option B and D. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.